Welcome back. We can use the writing tools inside of ChatGPT. We can go to the right side menu and we can click on the edit pencil. One of the first things we can do is to suggest edits to our document. We can click on suggest edits. We'll then click enter and we'll then allow ChatGPT to suggest edits for our document. ChatGPT will go through the document and then we will then determine edits that can be made. And we're going to approve the edits. Typically, you would go through these edits. For the sake of this video, we're not going to go through these edits. We're going to apply and approve them all. So we have now completed all of the edits suggested to us. There are edits left in the sidebar. However, it's quite possible that these elements are present because we hit suggest edits a second time. So what you'll want to be aware of is that you should only hit suggest edits one time for your entire document. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.